Hey, aspiring founders, you've got that exciting idea brewing, the one that could be your ticket to building your own business. Maybe you're dreaming of a SaaS platform, a helpful digital tool, or finally turning your industry expertise into something bigger. You're ready to jump in, but maybe you're also thinking about your personal savings and how to make every dollar count, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about MVP development, a smart and practical way for first-time entrepreneurs like you to test the waters, validate your vision, and get your business off the ground without breaking the bank or needing a team of tech wizards right away. So, what's this MVP thing all about? It stands for Minimum Viable Product. Think of it as the simplest possible version of your amazing idea that still solves a real problem for the people you want to help. It's about getting the core of your concept out there into the hands of potential customers as quickly and affordably as possible. Imagine you want to build an app that helps people track their fitness goals. Your MVP might just focus on letting users log their workouts and see their progress. Forget fancy features like social sharing or personalized diet plans for now. The goal is to see if people even want a simple way to track their workouts. Now, why is this MVP approach so perfect for you, the first-time entrepreneur with limited resources? Let's break it down. Protects your savings. You're not pouring all your hard-earned money into building a massive, complex product that might not even be what people want. You start small and smart. Fast track to learning. You get real feedback from real users early. This is gold. You'll learn what they like, what they need, and what you might have gotten wrong. You don't need to be a tech expert yet. You can focus on your domain expertise, your knowledge of the problem you're solving, and who you're solving it for. The initial MVP can often be simpler than you think. Validates your SaaS dream. If you're excited about SaaS, an MVP lets you test if people are willing to pay for your solution before you invest heavily in a full-fledged platform. Boosts confidence for future investment. Once you have a working MVP and some positive user feedback, it becomes much easier to attract potential investors down the line if you need more funding. So, how do you approach building your MVP? Here's a simple mindset. Focus on the core problem. What's the one essential thing your product must do? Identify the must-have features. What are the absolute minimum features needed to solve that core problem for your initial users? Be ruthless here. Think good enough for now. Your MVP doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be functional and valuable enough for early adopters to use and give you feedback. Practical trade-offs are okay. Talk to potential users constantly. Before, during, and after building your MVP, talk to the people you want to serve. Understand their pain points and get their input. You might be surprised to learn that many successful companies started with very basic MVPs. Think about Airbnb. Initially, it was just a simple website for renting out air mattresses in someone's apartment. Dropbox. Their initial MVP was a simple video explaining the concept of syncing files across devices. Twitter started as a simple SMS-based platform for sharing short updates. These examples show that you don't need a fully polished product to validate your idea and gain traction. So, if you're a first-time entrepreneur ready to take the leap, remember that you don't need a massive budget or a ton of technical skills to get started. Focus on your core idea, identify the simplest way to bring it to life, and get it in front of people. That's the power of MVP development. What's the core problem you're eager to solve? We'd love to hear about your ideas. And if you're ready to explore how Glorium Technologies can help you build a successful MVP, visit our website. You'll find more information about our MVP development services at the link in the description below.